English-Tagalog sentences gamit ang iyon or that. Ano iyon? What was that? Wala iyon. It was nothing. Kailan iyon? When was that? Ayos ba iyon? Is that okay? Iyon lang ba? Is that all? Nakita ko iyon. I saw that. Nakita mo iyon? Did you see that? Nakatulong iyon sa akin. That helped me. Anong ingay iyon? What was that noise? Nasa sayo na iyon. I'll leave it up to you. Kotse mo ba iyon? Is that your car? Gusto ko yung aso na yun. I like that dog. Saan iyon nangyari? Where did it happen? Akala ko totoo iyon. I thought it was true. Mangyayari iyon. It will happen. Hindi ko alam iyon. I don't know that. Alam mong mali iyon. You knew that was wrong. Naisip ko lang iyon. I just thought of that. Bakit mo ginawa iyon? Why did you do that? Hindi ko na kailangan iyon. I don't need that anymore. Sinadya ko talaga iyon. I intentionally did that. Nahalata ko din iyon. I also noticed that. Kalimutan mo na iyon. Forget about that. Hindi magandang pakinggan iyon. That doesn't sound nice. Sinabi mo ba iyon? Did you say that? Halata naman iyon. That was obvious. Malaking tulong iyon. That was a big help. Bakit niya gagawin iyon? Why would he do that? Kasama iyon sa plano. That was included in the plan. Totoo ba iyon? Is that true? Tama iyon. That's right. Tingnan ko nga yun. Let me see that. Hindi patas iyon. That isn't fair. Anong tunog iyon? What's that sound? Anong ingay iyon? What's that noise? Tingnan mo iyon. Look at that. Gawin mo ulit iyon. Please do that again. Masaya akong marinig iyon. I'm glad to hear that. Huwag mong hayaang mangyari iyon sa'yo. Don't let that happen to you. Mabuti iyon, di ba? That's good, isn't it? Hindi ko na problema iyon. That's not my problem. Magandang tanong iyon. That's a good question. Gaano katagal iyon? How long was that? Hindi ko maiwasang gawin iyon. I can't help doing that. Hindi iyon ang narinig ko. That's not what I heard. Alam mong mali iyon. You know that was wrong. Bakit mo ginawa iyon? Why did you do that? Iyon lang ba ang kaya mong gawin? Is that all you can do? Bakit kailangan mangyari iyon? Why does it have to happen? Bakit kailangan kong gawin iyon? Why do I have to do that? Iyon lang ang alam ko. That's all I know. Hindi ko dapat ginawa yun. I shouldn't have done that. Huwag mong hayaang mangyari ulit iyon. Don't let that happen again. Paano mo nalaman iyon? How do you know that? Hindi iyon sigurado. It is not certain. Hindi ko dapat sinabi iyon. I shouldn't have said that. Inamin niya na totoo iyon. He admitted that it was true. Hindi kita hahayaang gawin iyon. I won't let you do that. Iyon ba ang nasa isip mo? Is that what you have in mind? Huwag mong sabihin iyon sa kanya. Don't say that to him. Napakataas ng punong iyon. That tree is very tall. Ano iyong binigay mo sa kanya? What was it that you gave him? Paano mo nasabi iyon? How did you say that? Sana mabili ko ang bahay na iyon. I wish I could buy that house.